topics and I am Anandamai. Where is the freedom of speech? Jaya Bachchan got angry. Jaya Bachchan has reacted to Kunal Kamra's controversy, taking to ANI. She said, if there is a ban on speaking like this, then what will happen to the media people? You people are in a bad condition anyway. There is a complete ban on you people. Now you will also be told to tell only this news. Do not say anything else. Do not take Jaya Bachchan's interview. Where is the freedom of speech? Freedom of action happens only when there is a fight. Beat the opposition, rape women, take their lips, and what else? Amidst the reservation for backward class, now the reservation for Muslim is becoming a big controversy. Till now the opposition has been demanding reservation for backward class in the whole country, but for this an amendment in the constitution is required, and now the issue of Muslim has also become a topic of discussion. The Congress government of Karnataka has given a provision of 4% reservation to Muslim in contracts, on which RSS said that Baba Saheb was also against giving reservation in the name of religion. Although Baba Saheb did not like Muslim religion like Hindus, because Muslims choose religion first when choosing religion or country. D.K. Shiv Kumar said that this decision is a step towards giving reservation to Muslim, and in future amendment can also be made in the constitution to give reservation to Muslims, after which there was a lot of uproar in Rajya Sabha. Justice Yashwant Verma's argument in the cash case. Justice Yashwant Verma of Delhi High Court presented his side on the case scandal by writing a letter to the Chief Justice of the High Court Devendra Kumar Upadhyay. He said that such efforts are being made to tarnish the image. We do all the transactions from the bank only. There is complete record. The room in which the cash is said to have been found is not the main premise of his house, but is located outside. The storeroom was always open so that the staff could take any goods. He also said that the case will be investigated so that everything becomes clear. That one question on which both the ruling and opposition parties burst into laughter. In Rajasthan Assembly, many MLAs put the government and the Assembly Speaker in a dilemma in the House to raise the problems of their area. As soon as Speaker Vasudev Devanani asked BJP MLA Sri Chand Kriplani to ask a supplementary question during the question hour, he started saying, Speaker sir, please increase the height of the mic on my table for me. I have a pain in my back due to the short length of the mic. It is difficult to speak by bending again and again. Assembly Speaker Vasudev Devanani could not give any immediate assurance on this. Instead, he told the BJP MLA that then you should ask your second question. After which the member of the House burst into laughter. Also the member of the House were seen teasing each other on this matter. Harbhajan Singh's statements become a cause of trouble. The 18th edition of the Indian Premier League has started on Saturday, March 22, but in the second match itself a controversy has erupted over the comment of former cricketer Harbhajan Singh. People on social media are demanding that Harbhajan Singh should apologize in this matter. Harbhajan Singh is also Rajya Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party. He is also on the commentary panel during the IPL. Harbhajan Singh said the meter of black taxi runs fast in London, and here Archer Sahab's meter is also running fast. Soon a controversy arose over this comment of Harbhajan Singh. On social media, people started demanding to remove Harbhajan Singh from the commentary panel. The judge case is not stopping even after the Supreme Court's argument. Immediately after finding one case in the judge house on March 14, an FIR should have been registered and arrest should have been made. But now the matter has been handed over to the inquiry committee of judges, which is not right. Just like FIRs are filed against common citizen in criminal case, the same should be done in this case as well. The Supreme Court should repeal the comment made in the 1991 Pirswamy judgment and ask the investigation agents to register investigate. In that judgment, it was said that the consent of the Chief Justice of India is necessary before filing on FIR against the High Court or Supreme Court judge. The petitioners have said that only the president and governors have been given immunity from prosecution in the constitution. The Supreme Court with its judgment has given judge a special status different from ordinary citizen. Whenever the number of Hindus decreased, Hindus were beaten there. BJP MP Sakshi Maharaj said that judge who spread unrest sometimes do it in Kashmir, sometime in Sambhal and sometime in Nagpur. You should be ready to fight against them. We have become Babaji. You will have to pay a little attention to the population. Wherever the number of Hindus decreased, they were beaten there, beaten in Kashmir, beaten in West Uttar Pradesh. Some were beaten in Sambhal. Development work on one side and this figure on the other side. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, in 2023, 3,081 cases of murder were registered in Bihar, which was the highest in the country. Even in 2024, the situation did not improve much, and such high-profile incidents remains a challenge for the government. Rajbhat has now given a wonderful statement about CM and Deputy CM. In Uttar Pradesh, OP Rajbhat also raises the temperature of Delhi with his statements. The interesting thing is that this party is not very big. Even if the government ignores such small parties, nothing will happen to them. But among the small parties, even Amit Shah cannot ignore Rajbhat's party. Now Om Prakash Rajbhat, leader of Sukhdev Bharatiya Samaj Party and ally in the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance, has given a big statement about Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya on the demand to make Keshav and the CM. Rajbhat said all is well. Recently in Hardoi, MLA Shyam Prakash had said that the Keshav Prasad Maurya should be made the CM of the state and the Babai or CM Yogi Adityanath should go to Delhi. Congress is now going to give a shock to Bihar after Delhi and Uttar Pradesh after Bihar. More than 2 years are still left for the Uttar Pradesh Assembly election. However, all the parties have started making their strategy. Somewhere district president have been changed, somewhere they are to change, somewhere preparation are being made to corner the ruling party Bharatiya Janata Party on issue, while somewhere the ruling party is preparing to corner the opposition on the basis of decision of the previous governments and the work of its own government. Agents of Pakistan and Bangladesh spreading unrest in India. Rajasthan BJP MLA Bal Mukund Acharya said on Thursday on the Nagpur violence case that agents of Pakistan and Bangladesh are sitting in India and carrying out such incidents. He said wherever such demonstrations are taking place in the country, agents of countries battling terrorism like Pakistan and Bangladesh are involved in it. They are trying to spread unrest in India in some form or the others. Uttar Pradesh SP MP's statements caused uproar in Rajasthan after Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman's controversial comment on Rajput warriors Maharana Sangha. There has been a political uproar in Rajasthan. Leaders of all political parties have strongly opposed this comment of the SP MP. Meanwhile, independent MLA from Shiv, Ravindranath Singh Bhatia, also targeted Ramji Lal Suman and demanded action against him from the government. Samrat Chaudhary surrounded Tejasvi. Tejasvi made him wear the cap upside down. During the discussion of the governor's address, Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary had said that if work had been done from 1990 to 2005, then there was no need to make Nitish Kumar a common man in Bihar today. There was a gap of 50 years. No work was done in 50 years, only singing and dancing and Londa dance was going on which opposition leader Tejasvi Yadav has said that he himself has included in the same category. Clapping Londa dance is the rich culture and heritage of Bihar. Bhikhari Thakur is our dharwar. He was making fun of it. Who doesn't know him? He is called the Shakespeare of Bhojpuri. Is Londa dance not a culture? BSP also came on the front foot. National President of Bahujan Samaj Party and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Mayawati has given a big statement about Manu Smriti. Reacting to Manu Smriti on social media site X, Mayawati has said that Baba Saheb had full knowledge of it. She wrote that Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar had full knowledge of Manu Smriti. His followers and national president of BSP also has full knowledge of it. That is why BSP has been established to raise voice against this system and help the sad and suffering people stand on their own feet. This is also well known. BSP